Supreme Court. Article 124 to 147, Part 5. Supreme Court inaugurated 28 January 1950. Single system of courts adopted from Government of India Act 1935. Supreme Court replaced British Privy Council in 1950. Constitution declared Delhi as seat. However, CGI can appoint other places as seats. Composition and appointment. In 2019, Centre notified increase in number of Supreme Court judges from 31 to 34, including CGI. Judges of Supreme Court are appointed by President. President appointed CGI after consulting with the Supreme Court and other High Court judges as needed. Other judges are appointed by President after consultation with CGI and such other judges of Supreme Court and High Court. Consultation with Chief Justice is obligatory in case of appointment of a judge other than Chief Justice. Third judge case. Consultation of plurality of judges. Qualification of judges. Citizen. He should have been a judge of High Court for 5 years. He should have been an advocate of High Court for 10 years. He should be a distinguished jurist in the opinion of the President. Constitution has not prescribed a minimum age for appointment as a judge. Oath before the President. Constitution has not fixed the tenure of Supreme Court judge. He hold office until he attains the age of 65 years. Question regarding age determined by Parliament. He can resign his office by writing to the President. Removal. He can be removed from his office by President on recommendation of Parliament on ground of misbehavior and incapacity. Judges Inquiry Act 1968 regulates the procedure of removal. Motion of removal signed by 100 MP Lok Sabha or 50 MP Rajya Sabha. Speaker may admit or refuse to admit claim. Chairman. Speaker or chairman may admit or refuse to admit. After motion is passed by each House by special majority, an address is presented to the President for removal of judge. No judge of Supreme Court has been impeached so far. Acting Chief Justice. The President can appoint a judge of Supreme Court as an acting CGI when office is vacant or absent or unable to perform. Ad hoc judge. When there is lack of permanent judges to hold or continue any session of Supreme Court, then CGI can appoint a judge of High Court as an ad hoc judge of Supreme Court for temporary period. Retired judge. At any time, CGI can request a retired judge of Supreme Court or High Court to act as Supreme Court judge for temporary period. Jurisdiction and power of Supreme Court. First, writ jurisdiction, covered under chapter of FR Article 32. Second, original jurisdiction. Under Article 131, subject to provision of this Constitution, Supreme Court shall, to the exclusion of any other court, have original jurisdiction with respect to any dispute between GOI and state, between GOI and any state or states on one side or one or more on other side. 3. Between two or more states. Supreme Court has exclusive original jurisdiction in the above cases. That is, no other court can decide such dispute, and original means the power to hear such dispute in the first instance, not by the way of appeal. Original jurisdiction does not extend to pre-constitutional treaty, interstate water dispute, matter referring Finance Commission. Third, appellate jurisdiction. Supreme Court enjoys a wide appellate jurisdiction which can be classified under 4 heads: appeal in constitutional matters, appeal in civil matters, appeal in criminal matters, appeal by special leave. Advisory jurisdiction. Under Article 143, Constitution authorizes the President to seek the opinion of the Supreme Court in 2 categories of matter. A. On any question of law, fact of public importance, which has arisen or which is likely to arise, Supreme Court may tender or may refuse to tender opinion to President. B. On any dispute arising out of pre-constitutional treaty or agreement, Supreme Court must tender its opinion to the President. Power of judicial review. It is the power of Supreme Court to examine the constitutionality of legislative enactments and executive order of both state and central government. Supreme Court ultimate interpreter of Constitution. Other powers of Supreme Court. Decides disputes regarding elections of President and Vice President. Inquires into conduct and behavior of chairman and member of UPSC. Power to review its own judgment or order. Power of judicial superintendence and control over all the courts and tribunal functioning in the entire territory of country. Article 124A NJAC struck down by 99 CAA. Article 130 Seat of Supreme Court. Article 141 Law declared by Supreme Court to be binding on all courts. Article 142 Enforcement of decrees and orders of Supreme Court and order as to discovery, etc. Article 142 Complete justice. Article 143 Power of President to consult Supreme Court. High Courts. Institution of High Court originated in 1862 when High Courts were set up at Calcutta, Bombay and Madras. In 1866, 4th High Court, Allahabad. Constitution of India provides for High Court for each state, but the 7th CAA 1956 authorized Parliament to establish a common High Court for 2 or more states. At present, 25 High Courts. Judges of High Court are appointed by President. Constitution does not specify the strength of High Court and leaves it to the discretion of the President. Chief Justice is appointed by the President after consultation with the CJI and Governor of State concerned. Qualification of High Court judges. Citizen. He should have held a judicial office in territory of India for 10 years. He should have been an advocate of High Court for 10 years. Constitution makes no provision for appointment of a distinguished jurist as a judge of High Court. Oath before the Governor. Constitution has not fixed the tenure of a judge of High Court. He holds office until he attains the age of 62. Resignation to the President. Removal by President on recommendation of Parliament. Ground: proved misbehavior or incapacity. Procedure of impeachment of a judge of High Court is same as that for judge of Supreme Court. President can transfer any judge from one High Court to another consulting CJI. Acting Chief Justice of High Court. President can appoint a judge of Supreme Court as an acting CJI of High Court when office is vacant, absent or unable to perform. President can appoint duly qualified person as additional judge of High Court as temporary period not exceeding 2 years. Anytime Chief Justice of High Court can request a retired judge of High Court that or any other High Court to act as High Court judge for temporary period. Jurisdiction and powers of High Court. First, writ jurisdiction, Article 226, covered earlier. Second, original jurisdiction, matters of admiralty and contempt of court. Election disputes of MPs and MLAs. Enforcement of affairs of citizen regarding revenue matter or an act ordered or done in revenue collection. Cases ordered to be transferred from subordinate court involving the interpretation of Constitution to its own file. Third, appellate jurisdiction. High Court is primarily a court of appeal. Appellate jurisdiction both civil and criminal matters. 4. Supervisory jurisdiction. Over all courts and tribunals functioning in its territorial jurisdiction except military court. Judicial review. Power of High Court to examine the constitutionality of legislative and executive enactment of both C plus S government, center and state government. Judicial review, Article 13 uh, and Article 26. 13 Supreme Court, 26 to 26 High Court. As court of record, High Court has two powers. Record of judgment proceeding act as has evidentiary value, can't be questioned when published before subordinate courts, has power to punish contempt of court. Subordinate courts. Appointment, posting and promotion of district judges in state are made by governor in consultation with High Court. Appointment of person other than district judge to judicial service of state are made by governor after consultation with SP, CCA and HC. National Legal Service Authority. Article 39A, free legal aid to poor and weaker sections of society. Article 14 and 22(1), make it obligatory for the state to ensure quality before law and legal system which promotes justice on basis of equal opportunity to all. In 1987, Legal Service Authority Act was enacted. Lok Adalats, based on Gandhian principle. One of the component of alternative dispute resolution. First Lok Adalat, Gujarat, 1982. Statutory status under Legal Service Authorities Act 1987. No court fee, if already taken, will be refunded. Award by Lok Adalat is binding on parties, non-appealable. It has status of decree of civil court. Permanent Lok Adalats. Statutory shall consist of chairman who is or are has been a district judge or additional district judge or has held judicial office higher in rank than district judge. No jurisdiction on non-compoundable laws. Award final and binding on all parties. LSAA 1987 was amended in 2002 to provide establishment of permanent Lok Adalats. Gram Nyayalayas. Gram Nyayalayas Act 2008 has been enacted to provide for establishment of Gram Nyayalayas at grassroots level. Purpose: access to justice to citizens at their doorstep. Gram Nyayalaya shall be a court of judicial magistrate of first class, and its presiding officer, Nyayadhikari, shall be appointed by state government in consultation with High Court. Mobile courts shall exercise power of both criminal and civil courts. Shall not be bound by rules of Indian Evidence Act 1872, but shall be guided by principle of natural justice, plus subject to any rule made by High Court. Appeal in criminal cases, court in session. Tribunals, originally not in Constitution, added by 42nd CA 1976 through new part 14A. This part has only two articles, Article 323A and Article 323B. Article 323A established tribunal for public service matters only. Established only by Parliament. Only one tribunal for centre and one for each state or two or more states. No question of hierarchy of tribunals because only one purpose. Article 323B established tribunal for certain other matters established by both centre and state government with respect to matters within their legislative competence. Hierarchy of tribunals may be created. Example: elections, taxation, forex, IM, exim, land reforms, ceiling on urban property, food. CAT, Central Administrative Tribunals, set up in 1985, principal bench at Delhi, PM Rajiv Gandhi exercises the original jurisdiction in relation to recruitment and all service matters of public servants. Jurisdiction extends to all India Service, Central Civil Services, civil post under the Central and Civilian Employee of Defence Services. State Administrative Tribunals. Administrative Tribunals Act 1985 empowers central government to establish SAT on specific request of state governments. Judicial Review. Doctrine originated and developed in USA. Supreme Court. JR is the basic structure of Constitution. An element of JR is the power of judiciary to examine the constitutionality of legislative enactments and executive order of both central and state governments. Term JR nowhere has been used in Constitution. Provision of several articles explicitly confer the power of JR on Supreme Court and High Court. Article 19, Article 32, Article 226, Article 372 deals with continuance in force of pre-constitutional law, etc. Scope of JR in India is narrower than what exists in USA, though the USA Constitution does not explicitly mention the concept of JR in any of its provisions. This is because American Constitution provides for the due process of law against that of procedure established by law. JR of 9th Schedule. Article 31B saves the Act and regulations included in 9th Schedule from being challenged and invalidated on ground of contravention of any FRs. Article along with 9th Schedule added by 1st CA 1951. IR Coelho case 2007. The Supreme Court ruled that there could not be any blanket immunity from JR of laws included in 9th Schedule. Laws placed under 9th Schedule after 24th April 1973 are open to challenge in courts if they violated FRs under Article 14, 15, 19 and 21 or the basic structure of the Constitution. PIL Pioneers Justice V.R. Krishna Iyer and Justice P.N. Bhagwati. PIL is a variously known as Social Action Litigation, SAL, Social Interest Litigation, SIL, etc. In 1998, Supreme Court formulated a set of guidelines to be followed for entertaining a letter or petition revealed by it as PIL. Judicial activism. Developed and originated in US. In India, it is introduced in mid-1970s by Justice V.R. Krishna Iyer, Justice P.N. Bhagwati, Justice O. Chinnappa Reddy, and Justice D.A. Desai. It denotes the proactive role played by judiciary in the protection of the rights of citizens and in the promotion of justice in the society. Panchayati Raj. Committees related. 1957 Balwant Rai Mehta Committee, 1977 Ashok Mehta Committee, 1985 G.V.K. Rao Committee, 1986 L.M. Singhvi Committee, 1988 P.K. Thangwan Committee, 1988 Gadgil Committee. Rajiv Gandhi government tried to constitutionalize PRI in 1989, but Rajya Sabha opposed. VP Singh government also failed in 1989. Narasimha Rao government under PM-ship of PV Narasimha Rao constitutionalized PRI through 73rd CA 1992 and it came into force on 24th April 1993. 73rd CA 1992 added Part 9 to our Constitution, Article 243 to 243O, added 11 Schedule 29 items, gave constitutional status to PRI. State governments are under constitutional obligation to adopt PRI. Article 40. States shall take steps to organize village panchayats and endow them with such powers and authority. Features. First, Gram Sabha. It is body consisting of persons registered in electoral rolls of a village comprised within area of panchayat at village level. Power and functions of Gram Sabha are determined by state government. Second, three-tier structure in every state or village. Intermediate, district level, uniformity in structure. Village to village, uniformity in structure. Requirement for panchayat at intermediate level. State having population not exceeding 20 lakh may not constitute panchayat at intermediate level. Election to member and chairpersons. All member at every tier are directly elected by people. Chairperson at intermediate and district level, indirectly elected by and from elected members. Chairperson of panchayat at village level is elected in such manner as state legislature determine. Reservation of seats. Act provides for reservation of seats for Supreme Court and states in every panchayat at all three levels in proportion to their population. State legislature shall provide for the reservation of office of chairperson in panchayat at village or any other level for SC and STs. Act provides for reservation of not less than 1/3 of total number of seats for women. Further, not less than 1/3 of total number of office of chairperson in panchayat at each level shall be reserved for women. Act also authorizes the legislature of state to make any provision for reservation of seat in any panchayat or offices of chairperson in panchayat at any level in favor of backward classes. Above provision with respect to reservation of seats, member plus chairperson for SC is not applicable to the state of Arunachal Pradesh because fully indigenous tribal peoples added by 83rd CA 2000. Duration 5-year terms at the rate every level can be dissolved before expiry of term. Panchayat constituted upon dissolution before expiry shall continue only for remainder of period. If remaining time less than 6 months, no need to hold elections. Disqualification. If he is disqualified, A. under any law for the time being in force for purpose of election to legislature of state concerned. B. under any law made by the state legislature. However, no person shall be disqualified on ground that he is less than 25 years of age if he has attained the age of 21 years. All question of disqualification shall be referred to such authority as the state legislature determines. State Election Commission conducts superintendence, direction, control, preparation of electoral rolls with respect to election to panchayats. Condition of service and tenure of office determined by governor. Appointed by governor, cannot be removed from office except in manner and ground prescribed for removal of Judge of High Court. State Finance Commission established under PRI Act 1992 by governor every 5 years, reviews the financial position of the panchayats. State legislature may make provision with respect to conduct of audit of account of panchayats and municipalities. Provision of PRI are applicable to UTs but subject to such exceptions and modification as President may specify. Nagaland, Meghalaya, Mizoram plus certain other areas exempted from 73rd CAA. Other areas, schedule areas 10 states plus tribal areas 6 schedule के 4 स्टेट में 10 such areas. Hilly area of Manipur for which district council exists. Darjeeling, West Bengal. Darjeeling Gorkha Hill Council exists. However, Parliament may extend provision of this part to scheduled areas and tribal areas subject to such exception and modification as it may specify. Parliament enacted PESA 1996 under this provision. 73rd CAA bars interference of courts in electoral matters of panchayat. No election to any panchayat be questioned except by an election petition presented to such authority and manner as provided by the state legislature. 29 functional items of 11th schedule. Read from Lakshmikant. Social forestry and farm forestry, MFP, small scale industry including food processing industries, libraries, cultural activities. Compulsory provision of 73rd CAA. Organization of Gram Sabha, 5-year tenure is to Panchayat at 3 levels, direct election established SEC, indirect election to chairperson of Panchayat at intermediate and district level, established SFC. Minimum is 21 years. Reservation of seat member plus chairman for SC and ST, all 3 levels. Reservation of 1/3 seat member plus chairman for women, all 3 levels. Voluntary provisions. Endoing Gram Sabha power and functions. Manner of election of chairperson. Representation of backward classes. Representation of MPs and MLAs. Devolution of power and responsibilities. Granting financial power to panchayats. Panchayat Extension to Schedule Area Act PESA 1996. Provision in Part 9 of Constitution Panchayat are not applicable to 5th Schedule. However, at present 10 states of 5th Schedule Andhra, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Himachal, Jharkhand, MP, MH, Odisha, Rajasthan made Gram Sabha a nucleus of all activities. Reservation for ST shall not be less than 1/2 of total seats. All seats of chairperson of panchayat at all levels shall be reserved for STs. If ST did not get any representation through election, then state government may nominate such, but such nomination shall not exceed 1/10 of total members to be elected in panchayat. Gram Sabha is consulted before making acquisition of land in scheduled area for development projects. Mandatory prior recommendation of Gram Sabha for grant of prospecting license or mining lease for minor minerals in scheduled areas. Municipalities by 74 CAA 1992. 8 types of urban local bodies. Municipal corporation, municipality, township or port trust. Notified area committee, town area committee, cantonment board or special purpose agency. 3 ministries at central level deal with subject of urban local government. MOH and UA, Ministry of Defence in case of cantonment board and Ministry of Home Affairs in case of UTs. First municipal corporation is 1688 at Madras, 1726 at Bombay and Calcutta. Father of local self-government in India, Lord Ripon. Dissolution of 1882, Magna Carta of local self-government. Under diarchial scheme introduced in provinces by GOI Act 1919, local self-government became a transferred subject under charge of a responsible Indian minister. Under provincial autonomy scheme introduced in Government of India 1935, local self-government became a provincial subject. 74 CA added Article 243P to 243ZG. 12th Schedule. 3 types of municipalities as per Act. Nagar Panchayat for transitional area for rural to urban. A municipal council for smaller urban area. Third, municipal corporation for larger urban area. But if there is an urban area where municipal services are provided by an industrial establishment, then governor may specify that area to be an industrial township. All members of municipality shall be elected directly through territorial constituencies called wards. State legislature provides manner of election of chairperson. Ward committees constituted by state legislature consisting one or more wards within territorial area of municipality having population of 3 lakh or more. Reservation same as panchayat. Duration same as panchayat. Disqualification same as panchayat. Areas exempted under under 74 CAA. Schedule area and tribal area 10 states in 5 schedule and 10 tribal area under 6 schedule. DPC 4 by 5 member of DPC are elected by elected member of district panchayat and municipalities in district from among themselves. Chairperson of such committee shall forward development plan to state government. Same for MPC. Metropolitan area is an area having population of 10 lakh or more in one or more district and consisting of 2 or more municipalities or panchayats. MPC prepared draft development plan. Every metropolitan area shall have metropolitan planning committee. 2 by 3rd member are elected by elected member of municipalities. Act bars court to interfere in municipalities electoral matter. Notified area committee for administration of two type of area: a fast developing town to industrialization and town not yet fulfill all conditions necessary for constitution of municipality. Though it functions within state municipal act, only those provision of act apply to it, those notified in government gazette by which it is created. Unlike municipality, NAC is entirely nominated body. Town area committee to administer small town may be wholly elected or wholly nominated or partly elected and nominated. Cantonment board established for civilian population in cantonment area under Cantonment Act of 2006 by central government, works under administrative control of Defence Ministry of the central government. At present 62 cantonment boards, partly elected 5 year, partly nominated continue to hold office. Military officer commanding station is ex officio chairman of CB. Vice president elected by elected members 5 years. President of India appoints executive officer of cantonment board. He implements all resolution and decisions of board. Township established by large public enterprises to provide civic amenities to its staff and workers who live in housing colonies built near plant, no elected members. Port Trust to manage and protect ports, to provide civic amenities. Example: Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai. Civic function similar to those of a municipality. Special purpose agency are function based and not area based. Statutory bodies by state legislature or as departments by an executive resolution are not subordinate agencies of local municipal bodies. Undertake designated activities. Municipal corporation 3 authorities: first council, second standing committee, third commissioner. Municipal commissioners is chief head of municipal corporation appointed by state government, member of IAS. Mayor is head of council, 1 year renewable term, presides over meeting of council. Municipalities 3 authorities: council, standing committee and chief executive officer. Councillor are directly elected by people, headed by president or chairman, plus assisted by vice president or vice chairman. Chief executive officer appointed by state government is responsible for day-to-day general administration. Schedule and tribal areas. Part 10, Article 244. Constitution envisages a special system of administration for certain areas designated as scheduled areas and tribal areas. Fifth schedule deals with administration and control of scheduled areas and ST in any state, except the 4 states of ATMM, Assam, Tripura, Meghalaya, Mizoram. Sixth schedule deals with the administration of tribal area in 4th Northeast state of 80 Assam, Tripura, Meghalaya, Mizoram. Declaration of scheduled areas. President is empowered to declare an area to be scheduled area. President can also increase or decrease its area, alter boundary lines, re, rewind such designation, makes fresh redesignation in consultation with governor of that state. Governor is empowered to direct that any particular act of parliament or state legislature does not apply to a scheduled area or apply with some modification and exception. Under 6th schedule, Constitution contains special provision for administration of tribal area in 4 northeast states of 80 Governor is empowered to organize and reorganize the autonomous district. Thus, governor can increase or decrease their areas or change their names. Acts of Parliament states do not apply to autonomous district and autonomous region or apply with modification. Governor of Assam can declare that a legislation of centre does not apply in tribal area in Assam or apply with changes and modification. President has similar power for tribal area of Mizoram, Meghalaya and Tripura. Election Commission, UPSC and SPSC, Finance Commission, NCSC, NCST, NCBC, Special Officer for LM, CAG और अटॉर्नी जनरल. आर्टिकल पहले देखते हैं. तो इलेक्शन कमीशन है 324, यूपीएससी आपका है 315 to 323, एसपीएससी फाइनेंस कमीशन 280, एनसीएससी 338 89 CA, एनसीएसटी 338A 89 CA, एनसीबीसी 338B, स्पेशल ऑफिसर फॉर लिंग्विस्टिक माइनॉरिटी 350B, कैग 148, अटॉर्नी जनरल 76. EC strength appointment by president 1 plus 2 equal to 3. UPSC discretion of president. SPSC discretion of governor 911 211. Finance commission appointment by president 1 plus 4. NCSC 1 plus 1 plus 3. Condition of service plus tenure. EC president decides 6 or 65 year. UPSC president, UPSC SPSC governor, UPSC 6 or 65 year, SPSC 62 or 62. Finance commission president on his order, NCSC president 3 year, NCST president 3 year, NCBC president 3 year. Special officer not specified. CAG parliament 6 or 65 year, attorney general not specified. Qualification EC no qualification. UPSC not specified. 1/2 member have held office for at least 10 years either under GOI or GO state. Finance commission by parliament, chair experience public affairs, members judge of high court in financing and account of government, experience in financial matter and administration, knowledge of eco. NCSC rule 1990, chair eminent social political worker belonging to ST, other at least 2 from ST, 1 from women. A special officer not specified. Attorney general same as judge of Supreme Court. Qualification salary and allowances EC similar to Supreme Court judge. UPSC charged on UPSC CFI and SPSC CFOS. Finance commission as per provision by central government FC Act 1951. NCSC same as secretary of GOI. Special officer not specified. CAG determined by parliament same as Supreme Court judge, charged on CFI. Annual report 2 not hold office till pleasure of president though appointed. ये CEC का, सॉरी, ये प्रेसिडेंट बोथ SPSC और JPSC गवर्नर, प्रेसिडेंट बोथ हाउस हो गया। यहाँ पे आपका एनुअल रिपोर्ट जो है फाइनेंस कमीशन का, प्रेसिडेंट बोथ हाउसेस, NCSC प्रेसिडेंट राज्यसभा लोकसभा, एनुअल प्लस व्हेन डीम्स नेसेसरी, प्रेसिडेंट to governor if report pertain to state government, NCST president, NCBC president, special officer president through union ministers, president each house plus state government, CAG president and governor, 3 audit report, appropriation, finance, public undertakings, president both house, रिपोर्ट टू फिर PSC एग्जामिन, फिर रिपोर्ट टू पार्लियामेंट। रिमूवल, CEC नॉट होल्ड ऑफिस टिल प्रेजर ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट दो अपॉइंटेड, CEC एज सुप्रीम कोर्ट जज, रिमूवल और एंड अदर EC एंड RC ऑन रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ CEC। UPSC and SPSC no role of parliament by president if insolvent, paid employment, infirmity of mind or body, misbehave, Supreme Court inquiry. SPSC resignation to governor but removal only by order of president. Finance Commission FC Act 1951 mentally unsound, insolvent, convict for immoral offence. Inquiry by Supreme Court, chair by president, members 3 absent without permission, 3 absentee without permission. CAG same as ground of Supreme Court judge, Attorney General not specified, pleasure of president. Reappointment not Baird, UPSC chair not eligible, member as chair of SPSC or UPSC not eligible to re-app in that office. Finance Commission eligible for reappointment. NCSC not eligible for more than 2 terms. CAG not eligible. Additional functions by UPSC or SPSC. Parliament can extend jurisdiction of UPSC. Miscellaneous. Election Commission expenses not charged on CFI. Determine territorial area of electoral constituencies based on Delimitation Commission Act of Parliament. If disqualified candidates get elected, then Constitution has no provision thus dealt under ROPA 51. Supreme Court declare election as void, not ECI. State Election Commission removed as on ground and procedure similar to High Court judge. Advice for disqualification binding on President and Governor. Deputy ECs appointed by ECI, not President. ECI cannot deregister party but can derecognize, delist it. RPA, no suo motu on disqualification cases. UPSC or SPSC. President with respect to AIS and central servicemen notify matters in which not necessary to consult UPSC but placed before Parliament for 14 days. Parliament can not amend or repeal. Government may make rules, regulations, scope of advisory function of UPSC. President do not constitute JPSC. It is statutory. UPSC exams for AIS, central service, UT services. UPSC advise GOI not state. Earlier UPSC member equated with Supreme Court judges, but in 2018 changes in rule to equate with central government secretaries. Finance Commission FC autonomous body governed by GOI. All power of civil courts as per CRPC depends on data supplied by states. NCSC Centre and state government required to consult it on all major policy matters affecting SC. 33810 OBC and Anglo-Indians. 85 CA 1990 NCSC or ST. 89 CA 1 2003 bifurcated NCSC and NCST. Annual report to President regarding constitutional safeguards. NCST measures to be taken for full implementation of PESA 1996. Special Officer of Linguistic Minority on recommendation of State Reorganization Committee. 7 CA 1956, headquarter at Allahabad. CAG, audit only, center, state, audit plus account. CAG Act 1971, duties, power and functions, amended in 1976, separate audit and account function, agent of parliament, condition of person serving in IAS, administration power of CAG determined by President in consultation with CAG. Can disallow any expenditure violative of Constitution or law. Supreme Court 2014. He can audit private firms in revenue share deals with government. External auditor to UN agencies. Attorney General, not a government servant. Right to audience all courts within India, except appointment of director of company with approval of GOI. Solicitor General is appointed by Cabinet Committee and not AGI. Statutory bodies: NHRC, CIC, CVC, CBI, Sanathan Committee and Lokpal. Act. NHRC, Protection of HR Act 2003, Home Ministry. CIC, RTI 2005, Ministry of Personnel. CVC, Executive Resolution 1964, CVC Act 2003, Independent Body. CBI, Sanathan Committee, no statutory based resolution of HM, Ministry of Personnel. Lokpal, Lokpal and Lokayuktas Act 2013. Unique point: CIC, complaints only against central and duty officers, institution of PSUs. CVC, responsible only to parties, not an investigating agency. CBI, derives power from DSPE Act 1946. Panel. NHRC, PM, Speaker plus Deputy Chairman plus LOP, Rajya Sabha or Lok Sabha, plus HM plus further sitting Supreme Court Judge or sitting Chief Justice of High Court with consultation with CGI. SHRC, CM plus HM plus LOOP, Speaker plus Chairman if LC plus LOP if Legislative Council. PM plus CIC में PM plus LOP plus Union Cabinet Minister. CBC, PM plus LOP plus HM. CBI, Director, PM plus LOP plus CGI. DO, do persecution recommendation by CVC. SP and above, CVC plus 2VC plus SOHM plus DO PT. Lokpal, Selection Committee, PM plus Speaker plus LOP plus CGI plus eminent jurist. Strength: NHRC 1 plus 5 or 2 plus 3. Sorry, 1 plus 5, 5, 2 plus 3. SHRC 1 plus 2. CIC 1 plus 10 max. CVC 1 plus 2. CBI. Lokpal max 8. At least 50% judicial serving or retired, 50% non-judicial, 25-year experience in anti-corruption policies, pub ad finance, etc. 50% reserve for women, SC or ST. Qualification: retired CGI or judge. चेयरमैन के लिए. Members: serving or retired judge of Supreme Court, as Supreme Court or Chief Justice of High Court. 3 members with knowledge or experience with respect to HR. 3 ex officio SC, ST, BC, minorities, women, PWD and child ministries. CIC में qualification: person of eminence in public life with wide knowledge and experience in law, SNT, social service, journalism, mass media, administration and governance, not MP or MLA, not connected with political party, no business or pursuing any profession. CBI note: CBI under administrative control of DOPT Ministry of Personnel. Lokpal Chair S or CGI or Judge of Supreme Court or non-judicial member only if eminent plus 25-year experience. Minimum age of chairman 45 years. Appointment and tenure. NHRC President 3 to 70 years. 3 or 70 years. CIC President prescribed by central government or 65 years 2019. CVC President 4 or 65 years. CBI Central Government Director 2 years. Lokpal President 5 or 70 years. Reappointment. Eligible for reappointment 2019 HR Amendment Act. Not eligible only CIC or and no other. CVC not eligible. Lokpal both not eligible for any of constitutional or statutory post plus contest election. Annual report to NHRC. NHRC to both central and state government. CIC to both house central government. CVC president both houses. Lokpal president. Salary and allowances. NHRC central government, SHRC state government. CIC equal to CEC, IC equal to ECs. CVC same as UPSC. CBI. Lokpal president same as CGI. Other member same as Supreme Court judge. Removal. NHRC insolvent, paid emolument, unfit, infirmity of body, mind, convicted or sentenced for offence, misbehave or incapacity. Supreme Court inquiry by president. CIC में भी सेम है, CVC में भी सेम है. CBI में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ओनली बाय सिलेक्शन कमेटी. लोकपाल मिसबिहेवियर और इनकैपेसिटी पिटीशन साइंड बाय 100 MPs. लोकसभा प्लस राज्यसभा इंक्वायरी बाय सुप्रीम कोर्ट और फिर IIP. मिसलेनियस ओनली 1 year NHRC में ओनली 1 year विंडो ऑफ क्राइम प्लस suo moto. Power of civil court, power to regulate own procedures, have own investigation staff. Amendments in 2006 SHRC from 5 to 3 member. NHRC visits jails without intimation of state government. High court HR court by state government with concurrence of CJI of High Court. SHRC only with respect to state and concurrent list. Removed by president but resignation to governor. Qualification chair, retired judge or judge of High Court, member of High Court or judge or district judge or with 7-year experience, person with practical experience in HR. Committee plus CM plus LOP speaker plus HM plus chairman. No deputy chair plus as in NHRC. CIC suo moto if reasonable grounds. Can impose penalty on PIO. Power of civil court. Removal CIC president, SIC governor. Note salaries of SIC. SCIC equal to election commissioner. SIC equal to chief secretary of state government. CIC only appellate authority which can declare body as public authority if convinced that body fits into the criteria for being under RTI Act. CVC nodal agency for POCA 1988 PMLA or whistleblowers. Investigate cases referred by central against authorities under center in POCA. Only agency against motivated or false complaint. Own secretariat. Consulted by center on disciplinary matters of AIS or CS. Jurisdiction AIS, CS, PSB, RBI, SIDBI, PSU, GIC, LIC, NABARD, local authorities and societies controlled by central government. Power of civil court. No suo moto. Advise government for proper action against employee. Thus no prosecution. CBI suo moto. General consent. As CBI has jurisdictional with respect to only central government employees, therefore needed permission from states. Central government can authorize CBI to investigate crime in states only with states' consent. But Supreme Court or High Court can do it without consent of states. Role of CBI supplementary to that of state police forces. National Central Bureau of Interpol in India. Lokpal L&L Act 2013 no suo motu applicable to whole country including J&K public servant outside India. Jurisdiction PM plus Minister plus MPs except Article 105. Group ABCD officer of C central government plus institutional financed fully or partially by center or established not aided by Act of Parliament. Partially का मतलब not aided. Plus entities receiving FCRA above 10 lakh. Confiscation of property even if prosecution is pending. Clear timelines. Preliminary inquiry. Lokpal 2 months. Lokayukta 2 months. Investigation 6 months. 6 months. Trial 1 year. 1 year. No suo motu. Plus within 7 years to file complaint. Plus legal assistance to public servants. Plus no anonymous complaints. Lokpal shall not inquire into complaints against its own chairperson or members. Chair plus members are deemed to be public servant. Complaint against PM can't be taken if, with respect to external relations, public order or security, automatic energy and space. For other cases, full members need to consider initiation of inquiry. 2/3 approve such inquiry. NHRC and CAG submits report to both central and state government. NCSC and NCST submit reports to President, forward to Governor. Law Commission of India. Ad hoc executive body established by order of GOI. Work as advisory body to MO L&J. Membership. Chairman, retired Supreme Court Judge or Chief Justice of High Court. 4 full-time members, max 5 part-time members. 2 ex officio. Secretaries of DO Legal Affairs and Legislative Department. First Law Commission 1833 Macaulay. Independent India 1955 MC Stalwart. Term generally 3 years. Work. Look for obsolete laws. Revision of Central Act of General Importance. ED. Selection Committee. CVC plus 2 VCs. Section of MOHA plus DOPT plus DO Revenue. Law Enforcement Agency and Economic Intelligence Agency. Under DO Revenue or MO Finance. Primary objective of enforcement of 2 laws. FEMA or PMLA. Cabinet Secretary. Ex officio head of Civil Service Board. Cabinet Secretariat. IAS and Civil Services under rule of business of government. Appointment by Appointment Committee. Term 4 years. Functions. Chairman of Committee of Secretaries on Administration. Chairman of Committee of Chief Secretaries of State. Acts as Senior Advisor of PM. 4 Assistants of COM. 5 Responsible for Administration of Transaction of Business Rules 1961 and Allocation of Business Rules 1961. 6 Provides agenda of Cabinet and minute of meetings. 7 Ensure that President and Vice President kept informed of major activities of all department. Principal Advisor to PM. Appointment by Appointment Committee of Cabinet. Role. Advise PM. Overseeing affairs of department under PM. Coordinate activities of PMO. Staff Selection Commission SSC. Attached office to DOPT. Established on recommendation of Estimate Committee on 1967-68. Established as Subordinate Service Committee in 1975, then SSC in 1977, thus not statutory. Controller General of Account CGA, not a constitutional body, but derives power from Article 150 under DO expenditure MO finance. CGA does cadre management of Group A Indian Civil Account Service and Group B Officer of Central and Civil Account Officer. Group B Officer of Central Civil Account Officer. ठीक. GST Council 101A Act Amendment Act 2016 Article 279A. President constitutes Union Revenue Secretary act as ex officio secretary of the council. Composition: council is joint forum of center plus state. Union Finance Minister as chairperson. Union Minister of State in charge of revenue or finance. Minister in charge of finance or taxation or any other minister nominated by each state government. Member choose one among themselves to be vice president of council. Permanent invitee, chairman of Central Board of Excise and Custom. Quorum 1/2 of total membership. Every decision is taken by majority of not less than 3/4 of weighted voter of member present and voting in meeting. Voting share: central government 1/3, state government 2/3. Functions: council recommends G&S subjected to exempted from GST. Threshold limit of turnover below which exemptions can be given. Rates including floor rates with bands of GST. Special provision with respect to 7 sister states Sikkim, J&K, Himachal, Uttarakhand and any other matter relating to GST. Council shall recommend date on which GST may be levied on petroleum, crude, high-speed diesel, motor spirit petrol and gas and ATF. Council recommend compensation to states for loss of revenue arising on account of introduction of GST for 5 years. Based on this recommendation, Parliament determines the compensation. Article 279A1. President shall within 60 days from the CA 101 establish it. Schedule: First, names of state and duties with their territorial jurisdiction. Second, emoluments, allowances and privileges. Third, forms of oath and affirmation. Fourth, allocation of seats in Rajya Sabha to states and duties. Fifth, provision relating to administration and control of scheduled areas and STs. Sixth, provision relating to administration of tribal areas in state of Assam, Tripura, Meghalaya and Mizoram. 7. Division of power between union and state in terms of list 1 union list, list 2 state list, list 3 concurrent list. 8th, official language recognized by constitution. 9th, act and regulation of state legislature dealing with land reforms and abolition of jamindari systems and of parliament dealing with other matters. 10th, provision relating to disqualification of MPs and MLAs on ground of defections. 11th, panchayat. 12th, municipalities.